You can talk again? Yeah? What's up?
Campy.
Baby! Don't you dare learn how to open that. I'm gonna be so mad if you do. You are too smart for your own good. You're gonna become coyote food if you don't watch it. Oh, you didn't even see the chickens yet.
Get there. What's that? What you got there?
Start calling her coyote bait.
Baits are gonna be coyote.
You get, oop, oop. Get your head out. Oh no, I'm stuck.
You really get stuck.
I'm stuck.
I should leave you there like that for a while. You did get stuck.
Definitely Blake's goat.
Good job, Timothy.
Yeah. Like I said, I've been taking care of these goats for 3 years. They all come out normal. He helps me with 2 of them, and there's something wrong with both of them.
Come on, you can figure it out.
No, she's just gonna wait.
There you go.
Yay!
Smart
Did you see her wax tail?
enough to jump out.
You're laughing at her.
Smart enough to know where the lock's at.
Yeah. She's smart enough to jump out. She's smart enough to figure out that the lock needs to be open.